Hello everyone, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of stories? In today's video, we're going to dive into an ancient tale from India that will not only teach you English, but also leave you with a valuable lesson. It's a story of love, wisdom, and the ultimate test of a mother's heart. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a woman with her young son. One sunny day, she took him to the sage's pond to wash her face and bathe her child. The pond was peaceful. Birds sang in the trees. The woman gently bathed her son, then laid him down safely on her dress. She went to wash her face just a few steps away. But while she was away, something strange happened. A female goblin appeared. This goblin likes to eat children. She saw the baby lying alone and smiled with wicked delight. The goblin walked over, pretending to be kind. She picked up the child and said sweetly, "What a lovely baby! Is he yours?" The mother, not knowing the danger, nodded. The goblin asked, "May I hold him? Maybe feed him a little?" The mother agreed, but the goblin had no kind heart. She just wanted to steal the child. As soon as she had the baby in her arms, the goblin ran. The mother saw her and screamed, "Stop, that's my baby!" She ran after her and caught her just in time. They began to argue loudly. "He is my child," said the mother. "No, he's mine," shouted the goblin. They pulled and fought, neither willing to let go. Their shouting reached the ears of the village sage. A wise and fair man. He sent for them and asked, "What is all this noise?" Each woman told her side of the story. The sage looked at them closely. One had kind, tired eyes. The other had red, unwinking eyes. Strange and scary. He knew right away that one of them was a goblin, but he said nothing. Instead, the sage said, "Will you both obey my decision?" They agreed. He drew a line on the ground and laid the baby in the middle. Then he said, "Now pull. One of you take the child's hands, the other take the feet. The one who pulls the child across the line will keep him." Both women began to pull. The baby cried out in pain. Hearing this, the real mother's heart broke. She let go immediately and stood back, tears running down her face. The sage looked at the crowd and asked, "Whose heart is soft for the child? The one who let go, or the one who kept pulling?" The people answered, "The one who let go." "Who is the real mother?" the sage asked again. "She who let go," they said. Then the sage turned to the other woman and said, "She is not the mother. She is a goblin." "How did you know?" the people asked. The sage replied, "Her eyes do not blink. They are red. She casts no shadow, and she showed no mercy when the child cried." The sage asked the goblin, "Why did you take the child?" The goblin replied, "To eat." The sage said, "You have done evil in the past, and now again, but you can still change." The sage taught her the 5 precepts. 5 precepts are the rules for a better life. Then the sage told her to go. The mother took her child in her arms and wept with joy. "Thank you, wise sage. May you live long." The mother walked back to her home, her heart full of peace. Thank you for listening to the story. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. Did you like the story? If you did, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple English stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.